This is the Global Economic Scrap Metal Commodities and Recycling Report by BENLEE Roll-Off Trailers and Lugger Trucks, August 12, 2019. U.S. steel production rose to 1.897 million tons as slow U.S. manufacturing growth continues, and that's been driven by a strong consumer. Oil fell to $54.17 a barrel on global slowing. OPEC is considering more production cuts to limit supply to get prices up, despite OPEC already pumping at an 8-year low. U.S. oil production rose to 12.3 million barrels a day, matching the all-time record, as oil rigs remain relatively low, but shale oil continues to increase. As a negative, relatively low oil prices are becoming more of a problem for the oil industry. Iron ore had a huge drop to $94 a ton as global slowing reduces demand, especially in China. Scrap steel #1 heavy melt rose in August and is close to settling. It could go higher, but now at $236.33 on slight increase in demand. Hot rolled coil steel rose to $30.11 on slight growth in demand and still relatively high iron ore prices. Copper rose to $2.59 near a multi-year low on slowing demand, especially in Europe and China. Aluminum was no change at 79.2 cents, also remaining very low due to the global economic slowing. Germany is the fourth largest economy in the world. July's manufacturing is contracting in Germany, the most since 2012, with a key reason being a huge drop in exports to China. July's U.S. Class 8 truck orders, those are the big trucks, were below 10,000 for the first time since 2010, with the U.S. economic indicators all slowing and reduced exports and imports due to the trade war. July's IBD U.S. Economic Index fell, but remains pretty high. Consumers felt a little bit worse about the economy, government policies, and their own finances. Coal mining jobs are high-wage jobs that are key to some areas of the country. During the 2016 election, it was said that these jobs would be roaring back. In 1985, there were 177,500 jobs, falling to 51,000 by January 2017. Then it actually rose by 2,000 to 53,000 in total in June of 2019. But they fell to 52,000 in July. Jobs are up a tiny 1,000 in total since the new administration. U.S. initial unemployment claims fell and are near 50-year lows. It's great news as more people work and spend, supporting the slowing but true economic growth. July's IHS PMI index rose to 52.6, and since over 50, it remains in a slow growth mode. Services rose to 53, while manufacturing fell to 50.4, sadly the slowest increase since September 2009. Wall Street's Dow Jones average fell 207 points to 26,278 on the escalating trade war with China and the U.S. threats about more tariffs on other countries, which together is slowing key parts of the global economy. On a personal financial issue to those of you in the United States, home mortgage rates are about 3-year lows. You may be able to save a lot of money by refinancing. The 30-year is 3.6, 5-year ARM adjustable is 3.36, and the 15-year is 3.05. As always, feel free to call or email me with any questions, and we hope all have a safe and profitable week.